Acumatica's dashboards are very powerful and very configurable for non-developers, depending on your level of security. The dashboard I'm showing you here on the screen is a customer view dashboard. This is one of those that I have in my demo system. These can be downloaded from Acumatica's website. So if I go over to my list of dashboards, these were all downloaded directly from their site, things like all the way from finance to projects. And so not only can you download existing dashboards, you can also create your own and manipulate those accordingly. So this dashboard, the customer view, has a filter for a customer ID. And before I click on the filter, I just want you to note that I have records like 159 opportunities, 10.4 million total credit extended. But if I do include that filter where I'm looking at just one record, now all the data on the screen changes to that one record. And so you can do this on all the different types of data, whether we're talking about prospects or customers or vendors, branches, whatever makes sense for you. And I'm going to get rid of that filter now, reset it back to where we were. And earlier I said that it's flexible. You can create your own. So you see things like I have the different charts, pie chart, data table. These are trend cards and key performance indicators, KPIs. So over here in my design mode, and again, this is going to depend on your security and whether or not you have access to that design button. But assuming you do, as a non-developer, you can click on the button and notice that each of your widgets have a trash can, so you can get rid of these items that have no meaning for you. Or you can do something like click the pencil on this orders to ship widget, and I can see things like what is the source of data for that number that was presented on the screen, or how often is it refreshing? What is it aggregating on? In this example, it's doing a count on the order number field. And then you also see warnings and different colors that show up as we meet different values. And that's going to depend on widget to widget. And so again, repeating myself, you can hit the trash can, you can get into edit mode, you can also come down to the bottom and click on the add a new widget and add your own data tables and KPIs, links to external data, pivot tables, Power BI. It's powerful stuff. If I come back out, go back to where we started, just to kind of reorient, reset here. This is my customer view dashboard. Every role can have their own sets of dashboards. You can also add as many dashboards as you like. Set one of them as your home page, the thing that you want to see every day when you log into the system.